Hi everyone, welcome to the second part of learning AWS. In our first part, we cover how you can create S3 bucket, IAM user, and receipt password for your IAM user. And this part we will cover how you can use CloudFront and how you can create access ID and secret ID. And not only that, I will try to cover how you can use all these in your code base. So without wasting any time, let's do it. And before that, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Let's start with CloudFront. First, I need to give my IAM user permission to use CloudFront. So let's go to the IAM user. And I need to go to the user group. And so this is the group and need to go to the permission. And we have one permission. So we need to add another permission because CloudFront. So it will be CloudFront full access. You can add read only access, but I will give CloudFront full access. Okay. So now the IAM user have S3 bucket access, full access, and CloudFront full access. So now we need to go to the IAM user account. So search for CloudFront. If I go to the CloudFront, so now let's create a distribution. So I need to choose my bucket, and also if I need to check this origin access control, and I need to create an OAC, and I already have this, so I will just click on that and click on that. Okay, and then you must update the S3 bucket. I will update it, not a big deal. And then you need to click on these. I need to restrict viewer access. I need to create a key group. So if I go there, first I need to create a public key, and I will name it Naimur Web public key. And right now, if you're wondering how you can create this public key, I will show you the screen. So I just go to the ChatGPT and it give me the bash script, this and this. So I'll definitely share this script to you, and you can just copy this and go to your VS Code terminal and then paste it, and it will create a .pm file which have the private key and public key. So here's my public key, and I will just create the public key. Okay, so the problem is with this one, you cannot add space. I just copy and paste, and now it will create the public key. So yeah, so this is the public key. Okay, and now if I go back to my distribution and reload it, then now I need to go to the pub keys. Okay, so now keys, I will just choose my keys, this one, and named it Naimur Web Public Keys. And if I just create key group, and now if I go there and refresh, and I can see this, boom. I need to do not enable security protection. I need to click on that because I don't want any security protection right now. Okay, and if I just create distribution, there's another thing that I need to tell you. So right now we allow just gate and head. Okay, because we just gate everything for now. We will upload something and we will get the image or video, whatever we will uploading or whatever we will try to get access. But when you try to put something in your S3 bucket, then like post, delete, patch, then you need to click on that. Okay, so now I will just click on that. So, and then if I just now click on create distribution, it will create that. Okay, and now I need to go to my click this copy policy. This is basically my bucket policy. I need to update my bucket policy as I am in the IAM user. So I need to go back to my root user. Okay, so this is my root user, and I need to go to the S3 bucket. And now I need to go there, permission, and then click on edit, and then paste it. I think that's it. And now I just need to update it, save changes. And if I go to my IAM user and if I reload, there's no error right now. So this is basically my distribution domain. So now I will show you how you can use it in your code base to showcase videos, images using CloudFront. So these are code base. First we need to install CloudFront Signer. So just go there and copy. Let me make it bigger. Copy it and install it. So I'm using pnpm. Install. First we need to generate private key and then public key. Okay, so if I now scroll down all the way, then you will see private key and public key and private key. Okay, in the env we need all this. Okay, AWS access key ID, AWS secret access key, AWS region, S3 bucket name, CloudFront domain, CloudFront key pair, CloudFront private key. But for now we really don't need access key ID, secret access key, AWS region is needed, but the thing is I will show you everything how you can get it. So let's go to our dashboard. So this is my user and I need to create access key. And now there's a couple of options, but I'll click on application running outside of AWS and just click on next. And then I don't need any description, it's optional. So I'll just create access key. So this is the access key, paste it over here. This is my secret key and I need to paste it over here. So now I need to add my region. Okay, so I'll just copy it. Let's check my region. So this is my region. Okay, and I will just copy and paste it over here. And my bucket name is, I need to go to my bucket. So S3 bucket. And this is my bucket name. This is the bucket name. I'll just make it like this one. Okay, so I need to get my CloudFront domain, and if I search for CloudFront, so this is the CloudFront, and let it load first. So this is the CloudFront. So this is my domain and I need to paste it over here. Okay, not the HTTP, just this. Okay, and then my cloud pair key ID. So for cloud key pair ID, I just need to go to the public keys, then I need to copy this. Okay, so this is basically the CloudFront key pair ID. Okay, and now I need to CloudFront private key, sorry. So what I need to do, I just need to add a string and copy the private key from here and paste it over there. Okay, and we need to make it one line. So this is how it looks. So this is our CloudFront private key. So I'm using Next.js, so this is our out, and this is the whole code. Okay, so I'll definitely share this code to you. So this is basically a search param. So this is the get function, and we are basically getting the key values from client, and if you don't have the key values, then we'll response missing key parameter. Okay, and this is the CloudFront private key, and this is the key pair ID. And then what we are doing over here is basically we are try to get the private key from our env. Okay, so if I go to the env file, then you need to make sure you add this regex code, and then if I go all the way over here, you see I also add these in the end. Okay, so this basically we are just getting these key values, okay, from the CloudFront private key, because we just need these, we don't need the big and private key in private key. Okay, so after that we call this get signed URL, and this is the URL, key pair ID, and date less than. So it basically it will refresh this after 24 hours, and if anyone try to just get the URL and try to use it in his website, then it will definitely not valid in after 24 hours. And this is the format key, I mean the CloudFront private key. Okay, and we are basically return the sign URL as a response. So that's what we do in the route. So we have these two files, one is for AWS video and another one is for AWS images. Okay, so I already uploaded two files, one is mp4 and one is png. So if I open it, I will get the key, and if I open this png, I will also get the key from here. So this is the video, and you just need to copy the key from here and paste it over here. Okay, and for the images, what you need to do, you just need to go to the images and also copy the key and paste it over here. Okay, and that's how we can get video and images. So now we need to check it, is it really working or not. So I reload this, and if I reload it, did you see? So this is the video and this is the images, and if I inspect it, you can see the URL. Did you see? And if I copy and paste it over here, oh sorry, this is the image. I just need to get the video URL from here. Okay, so if I copy and paste it, then you'll see. Okay, and anyone can use this URL, but it will not valid after 24 hours. It will be expired. Okay, and the same thing goes with the images, so it will also expire after 24 hours. So that's how CloudFront work. If you guys like the video, please subscribe and let me know why you are using AWS. See you in the next video.
I love you, but it's time to go to sleep.